Hi friends, welcome back to the SKCAD solution. Today I am going to show you how to prepare this part in Autodesk Inventor software. You can see the base dimension is 300 by 200 and thickness is 30 mm. First I will create a base. Friends, I am requesting you to all, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Select metric, standard mm, create. Select 2D sketch, select XZ plane, select center rectangle, give the dimension 200, tab 300. Finish sketch, extrude up to 30 mm. Next, you can see there is a 1.5 flange, diameter is 90 and 60 inner diameter. From plate to tube center 150 mm, from side to tube center 190 mm. For that, go to origin, select YZ plane, new sketch, select circle, first diameter is 90, next 60, from here to here 150, from here to here 190. Sketch is fully constrained. Finish sketch. Length we required 210 mm. Select extrude. Here select mid plane. Give the dimension 210 mm. Next, one flange side. That dimension is overall width 175 mm. Height is 180, thickness is 25. Select this surface, sketch, select line, give the dimension here to here 75, 175. Height is 180. From here to here 85. Finish sketch, select extruded, reverse the direction, thickness we want 25 mm. In the same flange there is one hole, that is diameter 25, dimension from the flange center 95 mm, height is 30 mm. Select this surface, sketch, select circle, give the dimension 25, here to here 35, 30, 95, 30. Finish sketch, select extruded, reverse the direction, click OK. Next, fillets is there are 25, 1, 2, 3, 4 edges. Select fillet, give the dimension 25 mm, select the edges, apply. Now I will do this pattern. Select all these features, select pattern, select the direction, reverse this, we need 3, 87.5. You can see this is 87.5 mm. Next, there are 4 holes. The dimension is 55 from the side, pitch is 90 and 35 mm. Select this surface, sketch, circle, diameter 20, here to here 55, pitch is 90 mm. Here to here 35 mm. Select midpoint and this midpoint, give horizontal constraint, select this and this, give equal constraint. Sketch is fully constrained. So we need to mirror this. Select line, for construction just I will check it's center or not. Okay, it is center. Select these 2 circles, select mirror, select center line, apply. Finish sketch, select extrude, reverse the direction, here select through hole, OK. Finally, fillets R10 4 corners. Select fillet, give the dimension 10 mm, select the edges, apply. All the features are completed. I will assign the material. I will go with aluminum 6061. So we can change the color here. or we can change color like this also. So it will change. So which color you want, you can give. So basically aluminum and all, we will give aluminum dark, aluminum flat or aluminum polish. Anodized black also aluminum finishing, anodized light gray. So these are all the standard aluminum polishes you can adopt. For better looking we will change this color, but this is the standard polishes for aluminum material. Aluminum dark, aluminum flat, aluminum polishes, aluminum cast, anodized black, anodized light gray. So I will give some good color. So we need to select the entire body. So that's it from today's session. If you like this session, please do subscribe my channel and support me. Thanks for watching this video, friends.